Alright, this is 1438 Mill Stream Lane. We have just pulled the toilet. Date and time stamp is in the upper left hand corner. At this point we have done nothing yet except pull the toilet, and what we want to see is where the shower drain comes in. I'm assuming that is the vanity. So one of these two is going to be the shower drain. So what I want to do first is get some water through the shower drain and figure out which one of these is coming from the shower. So first thing we'll do is turn on the vanity and see where the vanity line is draining into this line. Sink was plugged, so here comes the water. So we're going to pull back and figure out exactly which one is our vanity line. So you can see even when we opened up the vanity, the water all came back this direction. So this one here on the left hand side, this is a combo. This is where the vanity is going in. And if you look right here on the right hand side, my assumption is going to be that this is going to come from the shower, but we are going to verify that. So we're going to turn the vanity off, let the water drain down. Before I run the shower, I'm going to pull the camera back out of the toilet flange and take a look down in the shower drain, which I just pulled the plug from. So you can see it's full of not so clean water at present. We're going to go back down through the toilet flange. That was our vanity. So our assumption is our shower is here, which we're going to verify. Alright, so I've filled a bucket of water. I'm about to pour it down the shower drain. can see the water came towards us. We've got the shower running now. I want to see if we can see where exactly it comes from. So here it is right here. Now, the water from the shower drain should come and go straight forward. It should not come back up the line. Notice how it's pitching and coming back up the line. So this is what we're going to be concerned about once we flush the toilet, is does waste or water go into that pipe where there is currently water coming out. So we are currently filling a bucket with water in the shower. I put a hint of red dye in the water so we can see if any red dye goes into that pipe on the right once we use this bucket of water to flush the toilet. I'm going to use approximately 2 gallons of water to simulate a toilet flush, which I'm filling up now. Okay, so I have 2 gallons of water. I'm going to wait until there's no more movement here in the water that we're seeing on the camera coming from the shower drain. And then we are going to emulate flushing the toilet. And the toilet water will come from behind us, so it will run over top of the camera. The concern is that the water is going into the fitting on the right-hand side that we're looking at. This is what's called a combo. Still see a small bit of movement. Just want to make sure we get an accurate test. So again, the line on the right is coming from the shower, going to the main line. And the water that you barely see moving is from the shower, which should drain into the main line and go straight away from the camera. Very small bit of water. I'm going to go ahead and emulate a flush. Okay, that is a flush from upstairs, which we did not plan. And as you can see, the water is going into the right side of that shower line. So again, a flush that was unplanned, that came from upstairs, which is on this same stack. And you can see how much of this pipe filled up with water when that flush occurred. That was an unplanned, uncoordinated flush, so we are going to wait again for the water to die back down so that we can put our red water in the line. Alright, so as you can see, the water is drained down from that flush. And what I want to do is simulate a flush from unit 101. Alright, that's approximately 2 gallons of water that we run down the toilet flange. I'm going to pull the camera head out and wipe the top of it off so that we can go back in and inspect the color of the water that would have gone down into the shower line. So as you can see, the water that I used has an orangish pink tinge to it. We do have some toilet paper debris that probably came from up above. That was our vanity drain. This here should be our shower line coming in from the right hand side. You can see a slight tinge to it. I probably didn't pour the water as fast as a flush would occur. I'm going to go ahead and run the shower to ensure this is the proper line. Shower's running now. You can see how the water comes in and travels back towards the camera, as well as going away from the camera. Combo should not travel back towards the camera, so during the first flush, when the pipe fills 3/4 of water from the flush upstairs, there's absolutely water from the toilet going back up into the shower line. Alright, so we have gone upstairs from Unit 101 to recreate a better toilet flush, since we have our camera down the toilet in 101, so that we can show what happens when the toilet upstairs is flushed. Alright, so here comes the flush coming from upstairs. Water's going to come from behind us. We use green this time. You can see all of the water flowing into the shower line on the right hand side of the screen. So we've got a clear view. We can see green water here. If you look in the shower line now on the right side, you can see all of the green water in the right side, which leads to the shower. This is what's causing all of the sewer flies and sewer problems in the shower line. When the toilets are flushed, water is hitting the side of this combo and filling up the P-trap underneath the shower with sewer. This problem is why 101 is experiencing sewer flies coming out of the shower drain, as well as getting sewer water in the shower drain. Again, today is 2:30 p.m., June 15th, and we are with Kathy Dahlman. The address is 1438 Millstream Lane, Dunedin, Unit 101. I see no other issues with the pipes. I'm going to go ahead and pull the camera back out of the toilet flange. You can also see a little bit of green water on the left side inside of that combo. So it's not only happening just to the shower, it's also happening to the vanity line, which we've just shown. That was the vanity, and now we're going to be coming out of the toilet flange. Thank you.